Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bushcraft Bums. Thanks for joining us around the campfire. One thing I notice a lot when I'm out and about, or even when I'm practicing in the yard or any type of bush camp situation, is that it's hard to keep things organized. It's hard to have a place where you can kind of like put your gear and keep everything where you need it. So I want to do a quick video on one way that you can help organize your space, whether it's your bushcrafting space or your camp or a hunting camp or a semi-permanent type of area. And this is kind of what I came up with. All right, so what these are is just some hook branches here. Got 3 little hook branches. All right, we just thinned them down and we drilled a hole through the thin section with the awl on a Swiss Army knife. We just strung some bank line through. All right, nice and simple. Strung some bank line through like this. We made a series of hooks. So what we can do now is bring this to any tree in our camp here. We'll come to this tree over here maybe and wrap this around. Give this a nice secure tie into. Any type of lashing here will do for the set purposes of today. For being expedient, maybe I'll just do a square knot on here. There we go. And then we can kind of set these out as I want. Maybe one there, one there. This one I left a little double hook on to make it interesting. Now we have a place. I can hang my jacket on one. There we go. And hang here my little utility belt on one here. Got my hat on another one. We have a nice organized camp. You can put a candle lantern or a battery-powered lantern on there if you want. And you can tighten this up if you need to, but the friction of the items holding it's going to hold it on there. Little way to kind of keep your camp organized. Simple. Take about 10 minutes to do. Just using a little bit of cordage and some wood from your environment. All right, that's what bushcraft's all about, making life easier and more convenient while you're out and about doing what you got to do. All right, we're Bushcraft Bums. Thanks so much for checking us out and sharing the fire with us today. We'll see you again soon.